Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be posting my old Japan vlogs from back last year in 2018. So these are my Japan vlogs. I was 14 in these vlogs, but I was about to turn 15, so does that really count as 14? Yeah. Oh, was it? Yeah, last year, yeah. That was crazy. So I went to Japan. Here are my vlogs. I tried to vlog back then. So peace out. Yeah, we're back with the kangaroo skirt, and I'll catch you all in the next part of the vlog. We're currently chilling out at Starbucks right now. Starbucks over there. We'll see if we can get it into the shot. There you go, Starbucks right here. We're about to get a double chocolate chip frappuccino. Yeah, well, my brother's head's in the way, but oh well. So, yeah, so I'll catch you all in the next part of the vlog. So the drink came, yo. We gotta give it a good taste test, I reckon. So let's go at it. Yeah.
Did you get yours with or without coffee?
I reckon it's a solid 8 out of 10. Yeah. It's pretty good. Yeah, so I'll catch you all in the next part of the vlog. As you can all see from the last part of this last picture, we're currently in a relax mode. I'll see if I can get a better shot of it. So I'm going to walk up to another one. See if I can get a good shot of the relax mode. Alright. See where it says Osaka? We're in relax mode. Alright, I'll catch you all in the next part. Landed here in Osaka, Japan. We're about to hop onto a train to get to Kyoto, and I'll catch you guys in the next part of the video. Alright everyone, welcome to a daily segment here. We are going to get a hot drink. So, we've got to pick out our drink. We're going to go with something, we don't know. We're going to pick a random one. We're going to pick we're going to get this one. I don't know what it is.
That's like the weirdest one. Yeah.
Alright, so you got to hold on to the camera, man.
I can't, my hands are full.
Just hold on to it. Alright, so you gotta put in the monies. Alright, we got it.
Oh, that's my change.
We get the change. Drop it back into the money holder. Alright.
Give that drink.
And now we gotta give the drink a taste test. Oh, it's warm. Right. Thomas is filming me tasting it. Nice and warm. It's tea, milk tea. It's pretty good. Yep. Thanks for watching this part of the segment, this part of the video. I'll catch you all in the next segment. What? Hey yo, we're back. So, what do you need in 10-degree heat? You need an ice cream because it's only 10 degrees.
Yeah, exactly. I'll come for you.
So we're gonna get this one, the soda float. Oh, we got the cameraman back. All right, we gotta get the money out.
It costs $20 an hour.
I'm not gonna give him any money. Just don't tell him that. So put in the 100 yen, and then you get the 10 yen. Oh, well, I don't know why I didn't just put the 50 yen. That's a bit silly of me. Well, now we get the ice cream. Let's go. So you take your change, put it in your money holder, drop it in, pick up the ice cream, and then you gotta give it a good taste test. It's not cold out here. It's only 10 degrees. It should be good. I can't do this with my crook thumb, pinky. Oh well, it's good, great. Recommend the soda 17 ice soda float.
This one right here.
So in Japan, you gotta remember to put everything in the rubbish after that. I reckon this counts as paper. I mean, it's got plastic on it, so it's alright, that's the end of this part of the vlog.
Oh, sorry, I already crossed it.
Alright, so right now we're getting some corn soup. What are you?
Oh wait, no, that's not the corn soup. Which one's the corn soup? This one.
Ooh. What does that mean? It made a jingly sound. What does that mean? Oh. Now we have the corn soup. Let's give it a taste test.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Tastes like corn soup. Pretty good.
It looks disgusting. Wait, is that a sushi vending machine? Got you. That'd be cool though.
You know you can stop filming, right?
Oh no.
Hey yo, so we're in Kyoto right now. We are about to walk past the cigarette vending machine. It's right up here. So here's the drink vending machine. Right? And then they got these cigarette ones. Man, I haven't seen any food ones yet, besides the ice cream ones earlier. Alright. But yeah, so we're walking to our hotel. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Hey guys, I just got some food. This is the end of the vlog. I'll catch you all in the next tomorrow actually. So peace out guys. I'm about to eat dinner. Hey guys, that's the end of this vlog. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.